UPSC Prelims 2025 most important ecology and environment topics must prepare areas. UPSC love asking questions from ecology and environment, and every year we see 15 to 20 questions directly from this subject. But what should you focus on? Which topics are the most important in this video? I will be break down the must prepared topics for ecology and environment in UPSC 2025 prelims along with the best way to study them. Stay with me till the end because I am also give you by high probability topics based on the latent trends. First one, why ecology and environment is crucial for UPSC prelims. There is mainly weightage is 50 to 20 questions every year. Current affairs link, many questions come from the news topics and high accuracy. If you study it well, you can easily score 25 to 30 marks. Now let's go straight to the most important topics for Prelims 2025. Let's section 2. The most important topics for UPSC Prelims 2025 is biodiversity and wildlife conservation. We have to focus on in this mainly IUCN red list categories, critically endangered, endangered and vulnerable. Important species kadir, turtle, dugong, snow leopard, etc. And if you come to Wildlife Protection Act 1972, schedules and amendments are very important. If we come to the national parks, biosphere reserves, Ramsar sites, wetlands of international importance, these are things. Then this question to come, how do we study these things? Reserve species from IUCN list, last 1 year news, learn major wildlife corridors and important species protection program. Climate change and international agreements. Key focus on UNFCCC, Paris Agreement, COP Summit, latest developments, India's commitments nationally determined contribution NDC. And another thing is Kyoto Protocol, Montreal Protocol, Kigali Amendment. These also play a very important role. And carbon trading, net zero targets, green hydrogen missions. Then how to study these things? Focus on Indian position in global agreements, learn recent COP developments and climate finance issues. Environment impact assessment and pollution. Third one, this one, how to key focuses on in environment impact assessment and pollution. Environment impact assessment processes and recent amendments. One thing. Second, you have to focus on air, water, noise, soil pollution, them causes and control. And next thing you have to control about the National Air Quality Index. National Air Quality Index and pollution control measures. And we have to control about the Green Tribunal and environmental laws and regulation. How to study this? Focus on the new environmental rules and policies in India. Learn about important case studies related to pollution control. Fourth one. Fourth one, sustainable development and green energy. These also key focus areas are sustainable development goals and Indian progress. And another one is renewable energy mission, solar, wind, hydrogen energy. And third one is you have to focus in circular economy and plastic waste management. How to study these things, sustainable development and green energy, understand the government policies and green energy targets, important environmental reports and organizations. Key focus areas global organizations like UNEP, IPCC, IUCN, WWF, and important environmental reports EPI, IPCC Living Planet Report, and Indian environment performance. Why did India rank low in EPI? We have to ask the question in that. And how to study important environment reports and organization. Memorize the important reports and India's rank in them. Highly probably topics for prelims 2025 is Indian renewable energy goals, 500 gigawatt target by 2030, newly added Ramsar sites and biosphere reserves, UN COP28 climate summit key takeaways, India air and water pollution control policies. Biodiversity hotspots, species recently added in IUCN Red List. Make sure if you revise them before the exam. And last, you have to tell about the must and read these things and follow the revision and maps. Mainly revision with maps, diagrams, mainly for the biosphere reserves, national parks, and Ramsar sites. Uh, and mainly practice the previous year questions at least last 5 years. These are the most important topics for ecology and environment UPSC Prelims 2025. Make sure to revise them. Now tell me in the comments which topics do you find most difficult. Let's discuss and solve your doubts. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more UPSC strategy videos. See you in the next one. Keep studying, stay consistent, and let's crack UPSC 2000 prelims 2025 together. Subscribe the button. Next recommended video, 90-day UPSC prelims 2025 study plan. Why this topic was high relevance. UPSC consistently asks from environment, current affairs connection. Many of these topics are in the news. Engagement driven encourages comments and discussion. Would you like to me to add more on points on visualization better engagement? Thank you so much for you all guys.